welcome you guys back to another episode of my C7 Corvette channel. And I'm your host, John Chad. And we are out here at the dealership today, looking at these beautiful and wonderful C8 Corvettes that we have for sale. So let's walk around a lot and take a good close look at it, let you guys see it on video. Don't forget to hit the like button, share button, and subscribe to the channel. We thank you in advance for watching. Where you buy that at? I do hope you guys got a chance to view the video I made the other day of the Magic City Octane car show in Birmingham. Come to find out they have that particular car show every second Saturday in the month. So maybe I'll be able to go back out there next month and bring some better videos. We are at the dealership this morning, this afternoon. Got quite a few C8s, used C8s that's available. So any of you guys in the market for a C8, man, we got plenty of them out here. Even got a Porsche. I want a Porsche. This is the 718 Porsche. They don't have any information on the cost sticker. It's not even on there yet, so I guess you have to just go to Who Auto Mall and inquire about it. salute of my C7 Corvette channel. And I'm your host, John Jaff. Boy, this lot, boy, is full with used vehicles, including C8s and Porsche, Mercedes-Benz. Man, what's going on with the economy that all these cars being turned back in? I must count over 10 C8 Corvettes out here. There's a Mercedes. Anybody interested in a Mercedes? No, I go 65.
65 to 85.
No, I go, yeah, 65 to 85.
Where you at now?
Hendrix Chevrolet.
Oh yeah, I thought you were going down the road. You out there looking at Corvettes and stuff.
No, you got it. Yeah, you got it, my conversation here. I think that's going to do it for today's video, man. It's hot out here. Hope you guys enjoying the Corvette season.
I know it is hot out there.
Yes, it is. Hope you guys enjoy the Corvette season. I encourage you, if you haven't already, to get out to the Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And now you can view my videos on the museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And if you're planning on going out there, make sure you plan your trip in advance, especially if you want to go into the plant. You need to get a ticket online. Don't just go out there. Don't just go out there, you won't be able to get in. You need to get a ticket online if you plan on going inside the Corvette plant to view the manufacturer of these magnificent vehicles. And there are $50 per adult. And the racetrack, from what I hear, the racetrack, whatever you call it, it's only open on weekend for guests and spectators. During the week, they'll be doing training and things like that. So that's only on the weekend. That's starting at about $300 to $400. Either your vehicle or their vehicle. And that's the C8s. Woo! Well, I'm John Jaff. I ask you to hit the like button, share button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button so you will know when I am doing a upload. See See you guys again in the next video upload. Again, thank you for watching.